So some of the Luno crew is headed out tonight to get some camping in. We were blessed with a beautiful 40-degree day in January. So we decided, let's go camp for the night, get a head start up at Mount Bachelor tomorrow morning, and meet some friends up for skiing tomorrow. So gonna enjoy ourselves, have a little bit of night of camping, and then go ski in the morning.
Car camping before skiing is prime because you don't have to wake up as early to get to the mountain, and you're just pretty much there, ready to go. You just gotta get your gear on. And camp coffee in the morning, what could be better?
Hey, so just realized my gas light turned on, and poor planning on my part, but it looks like I need some gas. So we gotta hit that before we go up the mountain.
Copy that, right behind you. Typical Landon.
Was gonna head up and then realized my gas light turned on like immediately, so probably better to fill up, especially if you're going to snowy areas, so you don't end up stuck in unforeseen traffic and run out of gas.
Oh my goodness. Have you heard of the 5-star, it might be 5-star, like the 5-star bathroom break or the 5-star? You get a star for every like point you reach.
Another snow park just up the road and see if we can go there.
Copy that.
Or if you could find something perfect to wipe with, like in nature, like that's another star.
Park in the center.
If you are going to the bathroom and you make eye contact with an animal, like that's 1 star. Oh, if you have a view, if you have a beautiful view, that's another star.
The thought of finding somewhere that you can't find with a quick Google search is always fun.
I learned that in school, my outdoor adventure leadership school. No place out there. I'm ready to camp and ski tomorrow and have a blast.
Yeah, so found a little parking lot. In winter, a lot of the trails are closed, so sometimes parking lots will do. You also have to be careful in the winter that your car is not going to get buried by the snow plows. So be on the lookout at the weather. If it's going to storm a lot, know that the snow plows are going to come out and clear it. But yeah, double check that the parking lot allows overnight parking, and watch out for snow plows. So I also decided tonight, I did bring both halves of my mattress. So I actually unzipped one half though and opted to go for solo side. So I'm only going to be sleeping on one half of the mattress, that way I can keep all my gear next to me nice and toasty inside the vehicle overnight. But it is nice. I was debating last minute if I wanted to have the whole bed, but I don't think I need the whole bed, just for myself. Rather keep the gear next to me. For tonight, I brought probably a little overkill, my 15-degree sleeping bag. I was expecting it to get a lot chillier tonight, like in the low teens, but I think we're lucked out, and it's only gonna get in the 30s tonight. But this will keep me nice and warm, combined with the fantastic R value of the Luno mattress. It'll be nice and toasty. I brought a sleeping bag liner tonight too, which adds like another 15 degrees, but I will not need that at all. At least I don't think. I sleep pretty warm. So, we're good there. Should stay nice and toasty.
I like the full bed, because then you get like basically,
yeah, that's true.
It's a full bed in the back of your car.
Nice.
I can roll around. I move around a lot when I sleep, alright?
Go full spread eagle in the back overnight.
Super comfy. One of my coworkers at Mount Ashland did this beautiful art on my helmet, so my helmet is now elevated. Also, always wear a helmet if you go riding. Duh. You're cool if you wear a helmet when you go riding. You see? Oh, I think I need a grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese? Grilled cheese time? Okay. Oh, got a little snow on ya. There we go. So, camp is all set up, so we're gonna make some dinner, settle in for the night, maybe enjoy the fire, and gets Bachelor in the morning. Question is, do we have propane?
I hope so!
Moment of truth.
Oh, you forgot gas, now propane.
We're golden. Yeah! So I took an old palm olive dish soap thing and make sure you clean it really well, get all the soap out, and then I just refilled it with olive oil, and it's never leaked, never popped open, and it's a perfect little camping size thing of olive oil. Alright, so we're doing grilled cheese, and thought instead of just doing plain old cheese, like cheddar cheese and bread, made it a little fancy tonight. We're doing provolone, prosciutto, and pesto. PPP grilled cheese.
That looks delicious.
Got the good stuff. Prosciutto. Not flipping yet, I guess. I gotta do all these.
Oh, it's a... Oh, it smells delicious.
I'm flipping.
Ooh.
Got perfect this way.
Yeah!
Look at that. Perfect. I don't think we get a cheese ball, but... Alright, ready?
Thank you!
Me too.
What do you think?
That's so good.
Can we get a rating?
I give it 8.2 out of 10. An 8.
Room for improvement.
Mm-hmm.
Abby?
For a simple meal, made in pretty quick time, I was gonna say at least a 9.
That's
I feel
super
like-
good.
Everything tastes better when you're camping.
That's for sure. Especially when you're cold too. Melty, gooey cheese, salty prosciutto. Nice. Good fuel for skiing tomorrow.
It feels so cozy. I'm ready for bed. That grilled cheese, I'm ready. Got carbs to burn to keep me warm tonight. I'm ready to shred tomorrow.
All right, we've got everything all packed up. Bed is made, so gonna hit the hay. I'll have an early start in the morning, so probably just see you out on the slopes. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I don't know if I can shut mine. I got it.
All right, got up here, blessed with a little bit of new snow that came in overnight. We're gonna go shred. Let's go.
Right.
Locked and loaded. That was supposed to be smoother.
Like, wait, hang on. Sorry. I got you.
That was fancy.
Reset. And action.
Locked and loaded.
Beautiful.
Another way to use your gear and shoe storage bag.
What is it?
Your gear and shoe storage bag.